can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Theta network. The last 1 week has seen a dump in the altcoin market. We had huge liquidations over the last few days. Theta network is down 10% on a monthly time frame. It has lost 46% over the last 1 year. We've seen the altcoin season index enter alt season. Right now it's out of alt season. We just dumped out of alt season territory. How high can Theta network go in the coming days and the coming weeks? If we continue dumping to gobbling town, should we be buying more? Is it time to accumulate excessively more before that one final pump to the moon? We look at Theta network's performance against the US dollar. What's the fuse about? Is this an accumulation zone, or should we be selling for further dumps to gobbling town? We also look at Theta network's valuation against Ethereum. We've seen it dumping aggressively to gobbling town. Are we gearing up for one big pump to the moon? And also look at Theta network's market cap, still below $1 billion. How long will it take us to rally to $3 billion, $8 billion, maybe even get to new all-time highs? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Theta network currently trading around $0.74, has an unlocked market cap of over $742 million. It has a total supply of 1 billion tokens. The all-time high came in on the 16th of April 2021. That was 4 years ago. We saw Theta network's tokens trading for as high as $15.9. Right now, it's down 95% from its all-time highs. Right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. Historically, fear in the market is when you want to be buying. Fear in the market is when you want to be accumulating, getting ready for the exit pump. The game we're playing in the market, guys, is to buy as low as possible, to sell as high as possible, to buy when there's fear in the market, and to sell when great return back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's fear, which begs that $1 million question. Should we continue accumulating some Theta coins? I believe so, guys. I believe nothing has changed. I believe we're still just in an accumulation period, even though there have been chaos and pandemonium in the cryptocurrency market over the last 1 week, as all coins have seen huge dumps. But there's nothing to be worried about, guys. Remember, the altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. Yes, that volatility works in both ways. We cannot expect just to be pumping to the moon forever. At some point in time, that dump to gobbling town always comes around, and I believe right now we're seeing that dump to gobbling town. And even though the dump is not crazy, but a lot of market participants are already used to higher prices, that's why the dump just feels exaggerated. Theta network is still trading where it was trading in March of 2025, and since March of 2025 we have seen it rally up by around 50% from where it was trading, from where it's currently trading, and we've seen it also dump by around 20%. So I believe there's still room for that exit pump, and I believe the market cycle doesn't end with us dumping to gobbling town. It's either the top is already in, that's the Theta network already pumped and topped already since December of 2024, because the last time we saw it rallying aggressively to the moon above the $3.2 level was in December of 2024. So except the top is already in for over the last 9 months, and right now we're deep in the bear market. If not, I believe this is just the accumulation. I believe we're going to see one pump to the upside, but can we get to new all-time highs? The longer we go, guys, the longer we go into the cycle, the slower the chances, the smaller the chances of us getting to new all-time highs. The next target will be Theta network rallying above the $3.8 level, of not rally above $3.8 since March of 2024. I will not be shocked to see an exit pump that will take us above that $3.9 level, maybe even get to as high as $4 to get market participants off guard. At that level, if we rally towards $4 level, I'm sure you will see a lot of FOMO returning back to the cryptocurrency market. I'm sure you see a lot of market participants running back to buy some Theta network tokens. Remember, the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. The crowd always buys when the prices are high. They always sell when the prices are low. And right now, as the prices look low, best believe a lot of market participants are selling, saying it's over, saying we're not going to see an altcoin season. But guys, this time is no different. Theta is a dual network consisting of two complementary subsystems. Theta is a layer 1 blockchain and decentralized infrastructure for video, AI, and entertainment use cases. Just a little dumb to gobbling town, doesn't change anything. If you want to buy some Theta network tokens for yourself, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on Upbit, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Remember guys, sentiment is always going to tell you how market participants are feeling, and right now with fear in the cryptocurrency market, even with Bitcoin above $100,000, with Ethereum above $4,000, I will not be shocked if we still see one final pump before the end of the cycle. I strongly believe we're getting very close to the end of the cycle, as we've gotten into altcoin season. I told you guys, after altcoin season, then the dump to gobbling town begins. After altcoin season, we'll see altcoins losing value against the US dollar, against Ethereum, against Bitcoin. But first, we need to first exit altcoin season in one piece. 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That is altcoin season. And even though the vibes have been down in the cryptocurrency market, and even though alt season, we got there, we spent like 11 days, even though it was very underwhelming, guys, I believe we're still in altcoin season territory. If you look at what has happened in the past, the fact that we get to altcoin season territory and leave doesn't mean the game is over, but it means we're getting very close to the end of the game. At some point in time, the nearest future, these altcoins are going to go parabolic, liquidating the bears, and that will begin our dump to gobbling town. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 58%. We're still expecting Bitcoin dominance to go on that huge dump to gobbling town. That might see Bitcoin dominance even get to as low as 50%, maybe lower than that. We'll still be expecting Theta Network's performance against Ethereum to turn for the good. We have seen it pump to the moon against Ethereum, but we've also seen it dumping to gobbling town against Ethereum, and it has been dumping since the 15th of March 2021, and we've seen it almost erase all the gains that's made throughout its live history. So over the next few days and the next few weeks, as we see whales flipping their gains from the altcoin market, from Ethereum into the altcoin market, trying to flip their gains from Bitcoin into the altcoin market, don't be shocked to see Theta Network's performance against Ethereum shooting to the upside. In the previous video, we talked about how a 200 to a 500% pump is always possible, and that can even happen very quickly. Historically, the end of the market cycle is where we see those parabolic runs to the top. We saw that happening in 2021. We saw the market going parabolic. Theta Network rallied up by 580% against Ethereum in just 5 days. So things can get crazy, things can move very quickly, especially the fact that all coins are already showing some signs of life. If Bitcoin dominance start dumping, guys, expect to see all coins shooting to the moon, expect to see them having their exit pump, and we'll still be watching, paying attention to Theta Network's market cap. The $3.6 billion level is still the level to beat. There's a strong resistance there. Maybe we'll blast through it, maybe we'll get rejected, but for us to even blast through it, we first have to rally towards that $3.6 billion region, which is a 400% pump from where we're currently trading. And if we're heading to new all-time highs, we still need more than a 2,100% pump from where we're currently trading. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. The last 1 week, I've seen a dump in the altcoin market. I used to buy more Theta Network tokens. Are you accumulating right now? The vibes are down right now. There's fear in the cryptocurrency markets. If you are doing so, when will you be selling for some sweet profit? How high do you see Theta Network going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.